Authorities are now processing the temporary release of the NBI volunteer driver who was arrested in connection with the May 13 shooting incident at the Senate. Andrea Salve is on the phone from the NBI for more. What else can you tell us, Andrea?
That's right, Mai. The NBI volunteer driver arrested following the May 13 shooting incident at the Senate remains under police custody, but authorities say his temporary release is now being processed. According to the National Capital Region Police Office, a Pasay City Court set a total bail of 116,000 pesos for the charges of violation of the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act and direct assault. Earlier reports from the Southern Police District said the driver, identified as alias Mel Oragon, was apprehended by Senate security personnel inside the Senate premises at around 7:50 Wednesday evening, following the reported shooting incident. Investigators said Oragon allegedly fired several shots inside the building using a still unidentified firearm. However, authorities later confirmed that no firearm was recovered from the suspect during his arrest. NBI Director Melvin Matibag earlier confirmed that the 44-year-old suspect has links to the Bureau. As of this report, authorities have yet to provide further details on his possible release, especially after reports suggest that more charges were filed against him, including alarms and scandal, as well as resistance and disobedience to a person in authority. We remain on standby here at the Pasay City Jail for any developments, including the possibility of his release today. Back to you, Mai.
Okay, Andrea, malinaw ba, tinanong ko na rin to kay Joash, malinaw ba yung mga kasong isinampa dito kay Oragon at ilan ang charges?
May, as per yung huling report ng SPD at ng NCRPO, there are 7 charges in total, no, kasama nga yung nabanggit natin na violations of the Republic Act 10591 o yung Comprehensive Law on Firearms and Ammunition. Meron ding alarm and scandal, meron ding tumults and herd disturbances of public order, resistance and disobedience to a person in authority or his agent, disturbance of proceedings, trespass to property, and violation of Senate security at yung direct assault. 7 to May, all in all.
Okay, finally, Andrea, since you are in the NBI office, is there clarity now, malinaw ba kung may authority itong si Oragon na pumunta doon sa Senate premises considering he is allegedly an NBI driver / volunteer?
May, we were there naman during the deployment of the NBI at the GSIS building. So mako-confirm ko personally na kasama siya doon bilang driver ng mga ahente, May.
Alright, pero he fired his weapon daw at pero wala namang firearm na nakita sa kanya?
Yes, May. And nag-positive din siya sa paraffin test. Pero sabi nga ng authorities, hindi pa ito conclusive kung itong mga chemicals na nakita sa kanya ay galing talaga doon sa mga napaputok na baril, May.
Okay. Thank you, Andrea Salve, reporting to us from the NBI headquarters.